Enjoy energy freedom. Ollny has ST38 solar string lights, G40 solar string lights, S17 solar string lights. No need to plug in. Solar charging during the day and save on your bills. Automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn. High waterproof level. No fear of rainy days. The solar panel can be easily mounted. Ollny solar string lights are suitable for outdoor spaces, such as the garden, the balcony, the swimming pool, and so on. Ollny solar string lights provide dimmers, timers, multiple modes via the remote control. They are perfect for different scenarios such as a birthday party or big events such as a wedding ceremony. Let's enjoy energy freedom with Ollny.